Hi there, students. Chubby. Okay, chubby is an adjective. It means a little bit fat, rather fat. I think chubby is less rude than fat directly, although I think probably that it's just a euphemism meaning the same thing. So, chubby. Fat in a pleasant and attractive way. I think chubby's very often rather positive. It's used about children. Look at his chubby cheeks. Yeah, you know, the rounded cheeks of a child, and then they pinch them more. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Chubby. It's a more polite way of saying rather fat. Plump, a bit tubby, rather portly, yeah, a bit rotund, rather roly-poly, yeah, short and thick set. So, well, I was definitely a chubby child, and well, I'm probably a bit more than chubby nowadays, unfortunately. Okay, so a chubby person, plump, rounded, fat, yeah, a chubby face. At school, they always used to tease me about being too chubby, rather plump. Yeah, tubby, a good nickname. Yeah, rather flabby as well. So the opposite of this is thin, slender, lean, sylph-like. Yeah, so yeah, rather podgy. Yeah, a baby's chubby face. Yeah, I think chubby is, well, it's not exactly positive with children, but I guess get the feeling that grandmothers are always worried about their grandchildren if they haven't got enough meat on their bones, if they're not a little bit chubby. But I think society is very critical of people who are overweight nowadays. You've got to abide by the sylph-like images that you see on the catwalk. Okay, so chubby, meaning plump, slightly fat, a rather chubby child. As to formality, I think I'm going to give it a 4, maybe a 4.5. Use it informally, semi-formal conversation, definitely. Semi-formal writing, okay, but not in something very formal. And then as to origin, okay, let's see. There's a fish called a chub, and you'll see these in the River Thames. Yeah, and their bodies are quite thick, although they're long and sleek as well. And this word chub has been used for 500 years, talking about somebody who's lazy. Yeah. Who's lazy, who doesn't do very much. And this probably comes from cub, a mass, a heap, or cob, a block to which you tie an animal, which then comes from Old Norse, kubber, a log or a stump. Yeah. Okay, so chubby, yeah, rather fat. Yeah, it's not saying absolutely obese. Obese is a lot more, but if somebody's chubby, they're definitely overweight. Well-rounded as well. Yeah. The dog was rather chubby, as he always used to seem to get the best tidbits from the table. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Chubby.